Hello and welcome or welcome back to Jewellery Rescue. If you're new here, I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. We're back this week with another lovely thrift haul. These are things that I have picked up from the car boot sales and the charity shops here in the UK over the last couple of weeks. I have of course got a few things for my own collection too, so let's have a look at a couple of those. So first of all, this gorgeous dragon ring, which was a Whatnot purchase, goes beautifully with a vintage one that was my mum's that she gave me recently. I also have this beautiful amethyst and sterling ring, which was a bargain at the local antique centre. I just love that it's got a real antique style about it, although it has a 925 mark, so I don't think it's that old. Really enjoying it there with my wedding ring and my newly acquired clog eye ring as well. A little cheapy fun find that I got yesterday at the car boot sale. This was just £1. It's costume, designer style, and I'm enjoying it with my Pandora and my thrifted pieces. This fun one here, which is just a cheapie, but I love it, and my nomination charm bracelet, which all of the charms are thrifted, so they're not all applicable to me, but I do like wearing the camera at the top there and the sparklies. Okay, into the finds for everybody else. A lovely little charity shop cabinet find, these Kit Heath earrings. I did of course pay up for them, but always worth it for Kit Heath, and I did sell the matching necklace to this a little while ago as well, so that one will be going on to Whatnot. Another boxed piece here. This is from Wanderlust Life. I have a small collection of these myself, which actually started with this one. Although it says sapphire, I think this may be the garnet for July because it looks the same as the one that I have, and I'm a July birthday. They do them in 2 lengths, and unfortunately the lady I bought it from said that it was just a bit too short for her, so she never wore it. Now these pieces all came from the charity shop where I pick up all the lovely silver bits. And there were some more pieces that were made by the lady who had donated, or her husband had donated, all of her stock that she had made. Similar jewellery to me, I guess, in that she was upcycling vintage beads. So I picked up a rose quartz pair, an amber pair, and these lovely fluorite ones as well. And I believe those are all on sterling hooks, I just need to check them. This I think is another of her pieces that's come apart here, but it would be very easily fixed, and it's on a sterling clasp. It's a gorgeous smoky quartz. They were a cabinet buy, so of course I did pay up for them, but as you can see they are sterling and amber. I've given them all the black light test. This one is unusual. I think it's been carved in the back there to give these lines. Have you ever seen a piece like that? So unusual. So we'll get those onto chains, and those will go onto Whatnot too. This one was also a charity shop find. It just reminded me of my teenage years of loving all the celestial stuff that was out in the late 90s. I'm not sure whether I will keep this or put it into a Whatnot show. I just thought it was really cute and I couldn't leave it there. I do have this little sad tray. This was a really cute bracelet that I bought yesterday at the car boot sale, and it just fell apart in my hands. The seller only wanted 20p for it, and I wanted the beads anyway. They're little like licorice all sorts made out of polymer clay, I think. I might make some really cute earrings out of those. These beads are so fun, I had to pick them up. Looking forward to making something out of those. And I also picked up this really cute jewellery box. It says, "Why fit in when you were born to stand out?" And it looks like it's never been used. Isn't that lovely? I think that will either be a giveaway or maybe it will go into like a Christmas shopping show for Whatnot. Freshwater pearls. This was from the car boot sale and has a sterling clasp. That was a nice little find. This one I picked up yesterday. I thought it was going to be ceramic, but it's actually polymer clay, I think. Little Highland cow, and I think it's in its original box. Scaramanda, Scotland. You know I love a plastic ring, so I had to pick this one up. Look at that, it's just really unusual. That'll probably go into my little statement rings. Well, it's rather a large box of statement rings now. Couldn't find the other one to this in the box, so I think I will make a pendant out of it. Maybe we'll do it as a little giveaway for Whatnot before Halloween. These 3 are children's bangles. They're really super teeny. They did fit my 11-year-old. I had to pick them up because they're mood bangles. Can you see them changing colour? I've seen mood rings just like this before, but I've never seen moon bangles. So again, I thought that might be fun for like a Christmas gift shopping show for Whatnot. And from the same seller, this bamboo one, it's actually the same seller I bought this from. This again is a designer style one. It's got black enamel on. We've got some gemstones. I think this is rutilated quartz, and some pretty borealis beads. This one has various gemstones on here. I'm guessing they're all agates. And some rose quartz. The silver is discoloured on this one, so I may take this one apart. Haven't decided yet. This one I just thought was really fun. It was inexpensive. I'm not sure whether I might make an elastic bracelet out of them perhaps. A gorgeous piece of art glass. You know I can't resist the glass. I'll probably put that one onto a chain. And look at these gorgeous glass beads. I might have to keep these aside for spring, summer maybe, because they are quite sort of beachy looking, aren't they? They're stunning. Pair of earrings, modern, but they're quite fun. You could change those over if you wanted to just wear the hoops on their own. This little baggie I bought with those big statement beads. I haven't had a proper look at it yet actually. We've got some mother of pearl feathers or leaves. What do we think they are? Probably feathers. They look Indian up here, although they have a native look about them as well. And then these ones, I think are just cheapy costume ones, but those are what I was buying the bag for, of course. These came from the same seller, and these are glass. Love the sound they made together. Again, they are quite small. I think I could just about get them on. Maybe they're children's ones. Some reindeer earrings, had to get those. And look at these. I absolutely love these. Chickens. And they're wearing, I think they're wearing cowboy boots. I think wellies would make more sense, but they do look like cowboy boots. How fun are those? Slightly more sensible, pretty cameo style brooch, a little vintage one. And some more Christmas earrings. This one is sterling, the cute crystal cube. And it's like a flower logo. Can anybody tell me where this one is from? It's very pretty, Swarovski style. This one I bought for the charms. Aren't they gorgeous? I'll probably turn those into my clip-on charms. Loving those ones. I think that these are glass. This was just really unusual, and it's got an unusual clasp on it as well. Again, they're possibly quite summery. Some hammered style ones. Maybe I'll add something in front of those just to make them a bit more interesting. This one I paid a bit too much for, but I just loved him. This Roman looking coin, and I'm not quite sure what it is because it's too long for a bracelet or even an anklet, but it's too short for a necklace. So I don't know, but I may adjust the size of it and turn it into a bracelet. I think this is howlite here that's been dyed, and some coral. Another summery pretty necklace. And I think this one came from the same seller. Look at these gorgeous tiger's eye cubes. They're lovely. Looks like a silver plated clasp, but I love those beads. I picked this one up just because it was so unusual. Those little, I think they're glass beads and freshwater pearls by the looks of it. Really unusual. This modernist style one, I actually have a brooch that's very similar to this. I pick these up all the time. And this one's got mother of pearl in there on steel. More charms for making my charm necklaces. This one is Hello Kitty. Oh, this one I picked up for myself because I had one that was just the little baby by itself. Bought it when my youngest was born. I think it was probably my first charity shopping trip. after she was born, and I put it on the change bag straight away, and when I got home it was gone. I'd already lost it. And then ages later, maybe like over a year later, I found a little girl version, and I bought that one, which I still have. And then I found the boy one again, so I have the boy one again. This one has a teddy, so I've got a little set of them now. Aren't they cute? Then we have these gorgeous sterling lapis earrings. I think this must have been a bundle, though I don't remember picking them up now. Mother of pearl. Oh, look at this opal. It hasn't been polished, so it's kind of like a raw finish. It's misshapen, but actually it feels quite nice at that shape. Probably will hammer it back out. Isn't that gorgeous? And then we've got an adjustable one with probably an onyx in there. I think that one is silver as well. Ooh, look, it goes rather well with those there. Then one more thing was these fun set Opti art rings. I think this was about 50p, and it hasn't been used. You can paint your own sort of glass pebbles and make them into rings. It says ages 7 to 97, so I thought perhaps me and my girls could do it over the half-term holidays, which are coming up now. So not a massive haul this time. I have found that the car boot sale is winding down a bit as we go into the autumn. The last midweek car boot is this week, so I'm a bit sad about that. But of course I'm going to be hunting for treasures all through the winter as well, so don't worry about that. Do come and join me in some more videos. Hit that subscribe if you don't already. Hit the like and the hype button as well. Would be really helpful too. Check out the channel membership. Tell me in the comments which was your favourite piece, and if you can remember all of that. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.